Hi everyone, it's Saloni Goel. Welcome back to today's session. Today we'll be dealing with 100 Dresses Part 2. Last time we ended our session actually knowing that Wanda was the owner of the 100 dresses. The 100 dresses that people might not know that she owned, but she did own those 100 dresses. Not in the form of fabric, but in the form of drawings. Peggy and Maddie, remember the two girls? These were the two girls who had bullied Wanda. Now in 100 Dresses Part 2, we open up with Mrs. Mason, the teacher of Peggy, Maddie and Wanda, informing the entire class that Wanda and her family have left the town. Wanda and her family have left the town because of Wanda's father's decision. Wanda's father believes that his family, along with Wanda, is bullied in this town. They do not like this place. People are harsh to them. We also have to remember the fact that Wanda and her family belong to the Polish community. And because they belong to the Polish community, they are not very welcomed in this American town. Eventually, Peggy and Maddie, they are filled with grief, they are filled with sorrow and sadness. They are filled with sorrow. Why? They want to say sorry to their friend. They want to tell their friend that, they are feeling really guilty about bullying her. Eventually, what happens, they go to Wanda's house, but Wanda, she has already left the town. She has left the town with the family, leaving Peggy and Maddie wondering whether they will meet her. Leaving Peggy and Maddie wondering whether they'll be okay. They have not said their sorry to Wanda. Eventually, Peggy and Maddie, they decide they will write a letter to Wanda. They are feeling sorry and they should convey this message to Wanda. They decide on writing a letter, but before they could write a letter to Wanda, they decide that no, they should not write a sorry letter. Instead, they should write a letter about the whereabouts of Wanda. How is she doing in the new town? A very general, normal letter. They post this letter, but the response to that letter does not come for a long time. There is no response to that letter. People are feeling indeed remorse and guilt. Eventually, right before the Christmas, they do receive a letter. Mrs. Mason does receive a letter, and that letter is from none other person but from Wanda herself. In that letter, Wanda says that she is not angry with Peggy and Maddie. Indeed, she is always seen them as two of her best friends, and she is missing all of her friends, all of her teachers in the new school. This statement of Wanda in her letter gives a ray of hope to Peggy and Maddie. They feel that now their friend is not angry with them. Indeed, she is very happy in her new place. In her letter, Wanda also mentions one more thing. She mentions that Peggy and Maddie will receive two of the dresses that she had designed as a token of her love, appreciation, and happiness. This really cheers up the two girls, Peggy and Maddie. This makes them feel that yes, their friend Wanda still thinks about them, still loves them. So 100 Dresses Part 2. We get all our answers. We get the answer that Wanda has shifted to a new place. Peggy and Maddie, are they able to say sorry? Yes, they are able to say sorry in the form of letter. The letter becomes a form of communication between Peggy and Maddie and Wanda. Even though Wanda has left to a new place, she still remembers her friends, she still remembers her teachers. She misses their company. Peggy and Maddie, now they decide that they will never bully any other person like they did to Wanda. They realize their mistake. This was an important lesson that both the girls had learned. And now they vow that they will always be welcoming to a foreign student in an American school. So this is a chapter about friendship, about hope, and about realizing the mistake that one should always be together. Unity has power. And the most important thing is acceptance. Acceptance irrespective of caste, creed, and religion. Even though Wanda is Polish, she should still be welcomed in that school. So the girls realize the mistake, and this chapter teaches us that the beauty lies in the fact when we are all together, accepting everyone for the way they are. Thank you so much. This is it for today.